Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify transactions with Square step by step clearly. Open the Square app on your device. Log in using your registered email and password. From the main dashboard, locate the Transactions tab. Tap on the Transactions tab to view your transaction history. Find the transaction you want to verify in the list. You can use the search bar at the top to quickly locate specific transactions. Tap on the transaction you wish to verify. Review the transaction details displayed on the screen. Check for the date and time of the transaction. Ensure the amount matches what you expected. Verify the payment method used for the transaction, whether card or cash. Scroll down to review any associated notes or tags. If you need additional information, tap on View Receipt if available. For further verification, you can check the status of the transaction. This is typically shown as complete, pending, or failed. If needed, make sure to cross-reference with your records for accuracy. Once you have verified all the details, you can exit the transaction view. Return to the main dashboard or perform additional tasks as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.